PLUG stock analysis for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Block power is already sitting at $1.25, so $1.25, 30% up. I am the only person in this space that has done 41,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. This, practically speaking, man, like you can see beforehand, I called out the bearish side. Like this is where it all began. It was not just there, you know. I have previous sell side predictions, like this is 156 at the time 2 months ago. But if I zoom out, the real bearishness began last summer, 17th of July, right? But needless to say, we shifted quite of the opposite direction, and that's fine. Like this is what I hope that it freaking happens, because this could be a start of something big from a bullish perspective, right? Yeah, I had these previous sell side predictions and I'm going to move them to the opposite direction because now this is a great shift. So how am I gonna, you can see I was even open-minded to selling here, but this didn't happen, you know. So in this particular instance, beautiful break here, not even gonna lie. So all I would perfectly look to do is just double down, buy more in this, as long as the price corrects down and it does make sense. So this is my demand zone, this is my top, and if it does not pull down and if it does not give me some sort of a shift, then I am not going to be buying. Very, very simple. So if you want to learn how I'm making, I mean, I have previous plug receipts in the Discord as well, but if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free notes.